A silver alert has been issued for Maricopa County. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Maricopa County Sheriff's Office is looking for a male, Ian Lawrence Paul, who is 5'8", weighs 135 pounds, has brown hair and eyes, last seen wearing a white t-shirt, tan button-up shirt and khaki shorts. On foot walking away from the area of 18,400 block of West Santa Street in Waddell, Arizona. He suffers from autism and severe anxiety disorder. If you have contact with the Silver Alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.